Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to make something really special, a delicious desi style fish. From cleaning the fish with oil, turmeric and salt to frying each piece carefully so it doesn't break while cooking. Every step here is done with love and perfection. The taste, the process and the village vibe, everything is just incredible. So stay with me for this wonderful journey of making desi fish in pure UP village style. So we brought three big rohu fish for today's recipe. The cleaning begins with a proper wash in fresh water. And once again, our little helper Pihu is here. The cutest part of today's recipe. Pihu help us throughout the fish making process, bringing whatever we need with big smile. Her presence makes the cooking even more special. Then again, each piece is cleaned using oil, turmeric, and salt. A traditional method that removes smell and makes the fish perfectly fresh. As I mentioned in my last video, where we were cooking chicken, non-veg cooking in UP village is usually done outside the main kitchen. The inside kitchen is kept pure, so all non-veg utensil and cooking space are separate. So we set up everything outdoors, the stove, the utensil and the kadahi, and we are ready to start cooking the fish.
हिंदी पहचानते हो? नहीं पहचानते हो?
The fish making process now begins. As you can see, all the pieces are being fried first. Fish is very soft and can easily break while stirring, so frying helps the piece become firm and hold their shape.
नहीं पहचानते हो? मामा ये मामा आपको भी बोले नहीं पहचानते हो? ये कौन है ये?
While the fish faces is frying, you can feel the calmness of the village around us. Life here is relaxed. One person cooks and many gather around, watching, talking, and enjoying the moment. The vibes are completely different, simple, peaceful, and full of warmth. And in between, they even serve us snacks to eat. A small gesture that shows their beautiful hospitality. I truly enjoyed this moment.
लाइक वाले पाते हैं
All the fish pieces are now completely fried and ready for the gravy. But suddenly the light goes off, a common village moment. Since we need water for the next step, they quickly start the generator to run the motor and get the water. Even with small challenges, the cooking continues with full dedication. Now it's time to prepare the fish gravy. A fresh pan is brought and pure village style mustard oil is added. The onions are already chopped. The masala is also ready, and a mix of khada masala is kept aside to give the fish its unique flavor. Everything goes into the hot oil, and the onions are fried slowly until they turn a rich reddish color. Now the paste of garlic, ginger, and all the spices is added into the pan. Garam masala, dhania powder, red chili, and their special homemade masala. Everything goes in. The masala is fried slowly on a low flame, making the gravy thick and rich, and the aroma spreading all around while cooking. We all enjoyed this moment.
चलिए तो पक जाएगा.
Salt is added into it and stirred properly.
मसाला आया
किसको खाया नहीं जाता है. किसको खाया नहीं जाता है.
My son also enjoyed the cooking process.
आपने
अरे फिर हेल्दी फूड थोड़ी होती है. फिर हेल्दी फूड थोड़ी होती है.
फिश से ज्यादा हेल्दी फूड ही कोई नहीं है
अरे
अरे क्या देखो एक कहावत बताता है मछली जल की रानी है रात को तल के खानी
Now water is added to make enough gravy, and all the fried fish pieces are gently placed into it. I also joined in and tried cooking for a moment. Really enjoyed being a part of this process. The fish is left to cook for about 10 minutes so the gravy can soak in completely and give that deep, delicious flavor. And with this, our fish curry was perfectly cooked. The fresh green coriander added on top gave it an amazing aroma and flavor. Truly, the hospitality of the village was unforgettable. So much love, warmth, and delicious food. It made the whole experience special. We all enjoyed the fish together, and every bite had the taste of home and the simplicity of village cooking. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next journey and with new story and with new flavor. Thank you so much for watching and supporting.